welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my top 5 MAC lipsticks for fair skin. Now, I'm actually not my palest right now. I would still consider myself like a light to fair skin tone, but I got a bit of sun these past few weeks because it's been really nice here. So but I'm still like pale. In the fall, I did a video very similar to this. It was my top 5 MAC lipsticks for fall. So if you want to watch that, I will leave it down below. So yeah, right here I have the 5 shades that I especially wear when I don't have self-tan. I will do another video, like, I know my intro is long. I will do another video like this very soon when I'll have a tan with like colors I like to wear in the summer. Okay, so let's get started. First one I will share with you is Hue. Hue is definitely one of my favorites. This is actually my second tube. I went through a full tube of this before. So this is like a great, hopefully my camera is gonna focus. It's actually my second time filming this video, but can you like focus? Yeah, this is a very great nude if you're fair. When you're fair, finding a great nude is so hard because a lot of lipsticks can tend to wash you out, or I don't know. This one is great. It has kind of a peachy undertone to it, so it's a really pretty one. And this is a glaze. Now, I would personally maybe wear this with a lip liner. I also wear this one when I have a tan on, but I definitely wear a lip liner with it. I would also maybe wear a gloss, but I think also on its own, like, it's a really pretty lipstick. So I really love Hue if you're pale. When you're a bit more tan, this one is a bit harder to pull off because it is kind of pale. But you can definitely get away with it if you wear a lip liner. But yeah, I really like this one. Definitely one of my favorites for when I'm pale. And I like that it's not just a plain nude. It has like a pinky peach undertone to it. So it doesn't make you look dead or anything. It's like a pretty one, you know? Okay, the next one is also one that I bought at the exact same time as Hue, but this is also my second tube. So this is Creme Cup. And this is a cream sheen. So back in the day, for me, like, this was a nude, but now when I look at this one, like, it's definitely pink. I mean, this is pink. But it's a beautiful shade if you're fair. Like, it's a really nice pink. So yeah, also I look very oily or sweaty, but it's just, I have like a liquid highlighter, the Glotion from L'Oreal, all over my face, and just a bit of concealer and Fix Plus from MAC. So I'm not oily though. So this is Creme Cup. It's a really pretty color. It's not one that like today I would reach for, you know, for every single day, but I used to wear this one every single day when I was like 18, 19. This was my everyday lipstick with Hue. It's not one that I reach for today. Hue I do, but Creme Cup now, I don't know, maybe I should. I like pink lips, but I really don't wear pink lipsticks anymore. But anyways, this is a really pretty one. It's quite different to Hue, as you can see, and it's also more pigmented. So next one is definitely one of my favorites that I'm gonna talk about today. So this is Honey Love. This is a matte, which is my favorite formula from MAC. I just love matte lipsticks. This one is like the perfect brown nude lipstick if you're fair. I find that sometimes pulling off like a brown lipstick if you're fair can be like, it can be hard to find the right one, but this one, I really like it. This is Honey Love. Now, matte lipsticks just apply so well on your lips. They're definitely my favorites. I like any matte lipsticks from MAC. I just want to have it just because the formula is so nice. But yeah, this is definitely my favorite. Even though like it's a brownie nude, like it looks nice if you're fair. I think this one you can wear any season. Like, it looks great with minimal makeup, like everyday makeup. It looks great with the smoky eye. I do wear it when I'm tan sometimes, but it's definitely more of a different look. My lipsticks look completely different on me when I'm fair and when I have a tan on. Like it's a drastic change. So that's why I have certain lipsticks that I reach for more when I'm fair and when I'm tan, because when I'm tan, like, I get pretty tan with my fake tan. Loving tan. Next one that I have is an amplified finish. So this one is just like very like more pigmented and a bit shiny. This one is Blankety. Now this one I don't wear when I'm tan. I just feel like it's too cool tone for when I have a tan. So yeah, but it's again kind of a brownie nude, but just lighter than Honey Love. Okay, so this is Blankety. Now, I definitely prefer Honey Love, but this one is really good. As you can see, it's a bit lighter, and it's just kind of a different look. It's definitely more cool toned, so this actually looks really great with the gloss, but it's already like quite glossy on its own. Yeah, I think this one actually looks really great with a would look really nice with like a black smoky eye because it's a bit more cool tone. I don't know. This is a nice one. I really like the finish. It's really glossy. Okay, finally the last one is again a matte finish. Now this one I bought a little while ago. This is Pink Plaid, again from MAC. I bought this a little while ago. I never really wore it. I don't know why. Like these past couple of years I don't really wear pink lipsticks anymore. I just feel like my baby hairs and everything. I don't know about this hair look, but anyways, yeah, I bought this a while ago. I don't know why, like I used to love pink lipsticks, and then the past couple of years I pretty much only wear like nudes. But then I was looking through my collection a couple weeks ago and I was like, wow, this is really pretty. This looks just like a Bratz color. I don't know if you used to play with Bratz dolls. I definitely did for a long time, and I don't know, this to me is just like a Bratz color, and I tried it on when I was super fair and it looked nice. So I was like, dang, like, you know, I cannot wait to wear this. I think this is gonna look beautiful when I have a tan too. I kind of want to change my hair color. I kind of want to go blonde. I think pink on blonde looks really nice. So I don't know, like I really like this color. I really like it because it's like a pink, it's almost like a purple, but it's almost like a nude at the same. I feel like this is not too bright, it's not too out there, like it's almost like a muted pink. So I really like it. It's very wearable and it looks great if you're fair. So this is just like a really good lipstick. And again, this one I think like many different skin tones could wear this. So yeah, these are all the lipsticks I gravitate towards when I'm fair. If you have any to recommend, definitely leave them in the comments below so we can all help each other out. I know a lot of you that watch me also have fair skin, so if you know anybody wants to help other people in the comments below, because I find that finding like a good lipstick shade that's just gonna complement your complexion can be a little hard, especially if you're more fair. And I know that because I'm pale and I know the struggle of just finding that good lipstick. Also, that doesn't make your teeth look yellow, because the lighter you are, your teeth can tend to look a little yellow depending on the lipstick you wear. So I just know. Also, no matter what's your skin tone, definitely let me know what's your favorite MAC lipstick. I'm always on the lookout for some new shades. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you go. You can also follow me on Instagram at Chloé Zadori and Twitter as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!